My dear students, welcome to my class on computerized accounting. Today, just we are going to discuss about ERP. ERP is having a vital importance in any organization and its growth. The growth of the organization depends directly or indirectly how the company is managing its information and its database. There are internal and external sources where information is generated and where information is integrated. Means every company gives a greater importance for data and data management for the purpose of growth of the organization. In such a case, the ERP packages are having greater importance for data integration and integration of the processes. Various kinds of processes will be there in a company. If you see the definition, enterprise resources planning is a process by which a company manages and integrates the important parts of the business. So in a business there are very much important parts will be there, like purchasing activity will be there, production, manufacturing, sales, advertising, profit planning, decision making, human resources management, and financial planning, whatnot. Means here every organization will give importance to integrate its database. Here one more definition is an ERP management information system integrates areas such as planning. Yes, planning is very vital in every organization. Purchasing, inventory, sales and marketing, finance and human resources, etc. Means here at a glance, ERP packages and ERP will integrate all parts of the business organization and its database. So here the ERP packages means it includes all kinds of software and hardware which is useful for the data management and data integration. There are various kinds of ERP packages, like one of the example you can give in accounting model. You can say Tally is there and Wings is there, Focus is there. Many kinds of uh, ERP packages are there. Means that is a kind of software which is developed and which is designed for the integration of the information relating to process of the company. My dear students, at this time you have to understand the business module and the business process of every company may not be equal. They may differ. Means a company has to choose what is a useful package for them. Based on that, they will buy the software. ERP packages are nothing but this is a kind of software which supports the ERP system. The main motto of ERP is nothing but the better customer relations and increasing the productivity and increasing the profitability of the organization. My dear students, ERP is integration of internal and external management of information across entire organization. Once again, I read this quotation. ERP is the integration of internal and external management of information across entire organization. Means, my dear students, you have to understand there are two sources who will give information, internal sources and external sources. So here we use and we exchange the information. For example, if the company is making profit, that we are disclosing to the outsiders, means internal information is going out. If the government is making any policies, that will be known to the company, means from external sources we are getting, means always the integration process will go on. So here if you see the evolution of ERP has seen a rapid growth in the period in between 1990 and 2000. Why? Because there were many changes in European countries in trade related issues. So ERP has evolved as one of the best solution for all kinds of issues. And in 1970s and 1980s, there are manufacturing requirement planning MRP1 and MRP2. Means in England, we used to make some plans at the time of industrial revolution for the purpose of better uses of the material and all. Then material requirement planning, if you are manufacturing any kind of goods, how much material is required, like this. Means if the company is able to control the materials automatically the profit will be increased. Means if you see the evolution, this is the base of evolution of ERP packages. My dear students, once again I want to say ERP is a management information system which integrates areas such as planning, purchasing, inventory, sales, marketing, finance, and human resources. These are the various kinds of activities, my dear students. Now, if you see what are the components of ERP, there are internal and external information is very much needed. Here we integrate those two. Integration of information means the adding and the usage and the process how we are using the information for the betterness of the company. And database management, whenever we require and we can retrieve the data, we can use the data. Then software and hardware, as we know, for ERP packages we require systems, and all kinds of hardware is also required. And best practices of software means here it doesn't mean if you take any kind of software or something, if it is not working, then what is the meaning? So means whatever software that you have taken, that should be very much useful to your business. For example, if you select Tally, that should be very much helpful to you in doing accounts. Okay, means in Tally is also one of the ERP packages. So likewise, there are many ERP packages like material management packages will be there and all. So next important thing is importance of ERP. Means the usage of ERP. It's like it enhances the productivity. It will also increase the sales. It enhances the flexibility. It enhances the customer relations. It maximizes the efficiency of the organization. It increases the productivity and profitability. And it increases the on-time delivery of the goods and services. That is very much important. And we try to minimize the cost. And it will also put some kind of standards. Establishment of standards in the organization is very much important, my dear students. Then provides reliable database if you want to make any decision. So ERP packages will provide such kind of information for decision making, and provides information to stakeholders, means whoever parties are there, like shareholders, investors, creditors, to whomever some kind of information is required. The ERP packages will provide information. It helps in decision making. Actually, decision making requires some kind of data. It gives the information. Then better inventory control. As I said, inventory is a key element to be controlled. So how to maintain the stores, what are the methods of which issuing of the materials and all, it will decide. Then here the important element is ERP is integrated management of main business processes, often in real time and mediated by software and technology. This is also one of the definition. My dear students, use the pause button to copy the notes. ERP is one of the very important topic. So see, ERP is connected with HRM, human resources management. CRM means customer relationship management, material management, supply chain management, financial management. From all the sources, ERP is taking data. To all the sources, ERP is giving back the data. There are very different kinds of ERP modules are available in the market, my dear students. Like sales modules will be there, purchases modules will be there. It doesn't mean like you are purchasing something by paying some amount and buying the goods, but in company it's a different case. First of all, they have to make some purchase order. The purchase order will be sent to the supplier. The supplier has to give the quotation. Then the company has to make a decision. Then they have to deliver goods. Then the payment will be made. Then supplier analysis. This is a lengthy process for a company in purchases. So purchase modules will be there. HR modules will be there. Financial modules will be there. There are various kinds of modules which are very important in ERP packages. My dear students, now what you have to do, that is very much important. As you are a BCom student, you should copy what is the meaning of ERP. ERP is one of the very important topic in whatever the subject you have, like computerized accounting. In BCom level, there are very different kinds of books are available in the market. You can buy any kind of textbook. Having one kind of book is very much important. Why? Because the computerized accounting is such a subject where some lab work will be there, some theory work will be there. My dear students, this is the notes which we discussed. One thing what you learned today at a glance: ERP means Enterprise Resources Planning, the integration of internal and external information is known as ERP. ERP uses hardware and software. There are various kinds of ERP modules like sales module, like purchases module, finance module, HR module. Likewise, a module is a different kind of software. Selection of ERP depends on the process of the business process of the organization. That depends. It decides what kind of you want. Importance of ERP, my dear students, you are seeing. This is also known as the advantages of ERP. You can see. You can see. You have to learn. You have to make the notes whenever you want. Use the pause button. I wish all the best to my students. Please do subscribe to my channel for more and more notes and topics and classes on computerized accounting. In coming classes, you will see what is Tally, how to create a company in Tally. Thank you. Please share, please subscribe to my channel.